Okay, good evening sa mga kababayan ko po. Welcome na po sa Saturday basketball action between the Hub versus QDF. QDF playing yellow versus the Hub playing the purple and pink combination. The score right now is 3-2. 7 minutes 15 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter action. Hub versus QDF. Calling now their second lineup now. Paghandaan na po kayo. Zia number 2. Oy! Traveling violation called. Traveling violation called by number 17. Number 17 called for the traveling. Nice Dini Valdez. And please take note mo, andyan man po yatang the Hub. They need to survive 4 quarters without any off kickball. Ref says kickball. They need to survive all 4 quarters without any kapalit po. Yan. Without any kapalit. So po meron pa. Z. Zia, no. No good.
Number 0, Valdez, second personal.
Valdez called for the foul. Gabi shooting for 2. Gabi shooting for 2. Yan, Sir Aris. Good evening, Sir Aris. Idol, balita. Tapos ito, Idol. Okay, Aris Silas watching. Sa palanol po sa atin. Sige, no. Punta kayo dyan. And first shot made. Fourth score po natin, 4-2. Lumamang na po lalo muli po ang team, the QDF. And of course, rebound now by Mr. D-Mac. D-Mac Ulangan, binababa siya po nag-skipper ngayon ng kanyang koponan. D-Mac, foul! Foul on number 27. 2 shots given, for sure Hatim, that's Hatim. Hatim called for a foul. Idol, bisa. Idol. On time kayo, may susi.
Wala namin eh. Mga kami kasi dami na player.
Ha?
Dami ng player. Dapat hindi na kami, alas 5 pa lang.
Oo. May susi nga, agahan ka pa lalo next week. Second shot, D-Mac. Basket. 4-3 score po natin. 40, the yellow shorts still on the lead. 17. Z, number 15. Pops up. No good. Then rebound para na Valdez. Now, San Miguel, mag-isa. Naiyong mag-isa. Kapos. And QDF again, QDF again. QDF number 14. Binababa ang bola. Binababa ang bola. Hop. Sabi ni Ref Chris, meron siya nakita. Jersey number 2 called for a foul. And after this ball will be Cas versus the Projects. You're watching right now the first game for the Saturday basketball action between QDF, played in yellow, and of course, Hub Puyan played in pink and violet combination. Number 14, Arugay shooting for 3, pasok. 7-3 score po natin. Christian Mendoza watching. Isa Jurok is watching also. Good evening sa mga kaibigan ko po. And Nitro. D-Mac. Taking 3. Pops up. Pasok ang buhay. Swak na swak. D-Mac 3.76 ang score. 7-6. Z. Hatim. Wala. Zia, creating space. No. Palpal. Nice block by Najib. And foul called. Foul called on number 14. Z called for the foul. Jersey number 13. Change pair po tayo. Okay. The Hub po. Talagang wala silang kapalit po. Samantala second line po si Duma, si So, si Siblini, nandiyan si number 5 at si number 25. St. Michael, San Miguel po. Bounty, Scott is watching already also. What happened? Okay, takin daw. Sabi ni Mendoza, kilakas daw talaga ni D-Mac. Sabi ni Mendoza, D-Mac, San Miguel, Nitro, driving show, floater shot, no good. Rebound by Najib. Najib. Nawala ang bola kay Najib. Najib, still completed. And now, number 6. Tan, pops up. Nope, it's So. So, power move, and one play kay So. So, 2 points plus and 1 play pa yan. Possible 3-point play. 3-point play talaga para kay Mr. So.
I'm sorry. See you again with this. That's your third personal foul.
Dahan-dahan lang po tayo, Mr. Hub. Wala po yata yung kapalit. Nahirap na. And So na completed na the 3-point play advantage. Okay, now. Nitro, binababa ang bola. Nitro. San Miguel. D-Mac agi Siblini. Foul on Siblini. Siblini called for the foul. Oy! Again foul. Siblini again called for the foul. Back-to-back fouls called on Siblini. Nitro against Siblini. Nitro pops up. Nope. So nakarebound po tayo. Siblini binababa ang bola. Siblini against San Miguel. Siblini 6 seconds away. Takal. Nice block by Najib.
7 seconds to shoot.
Nice block by Najib. 7 seconds remaining, 7 seconds to shoot at 3:15 remaining. First quarter action. The Hub po talaga totally depleted po ang kanilang lineup. Please take note po. We'll see what they're gonna do about this. What adjustment they have to make. While QD po, marami po silang player po ngayon. Siblini, kapos. Nitro. Valdez. D-Mac for 3. Bang! 3 points. Again, isa na naman ang kalamangan ng QDF over the Hub. 10-9 at 3:17 remaining. First quarter action. Siblini binababa ang bola. Oy! So, traveling. Called for a travel. Ang kanang big man ng QDF. And D-Mac again, binabata ni Z. Ethan rather. And now si Nitro for 3. Nope. So, against Nitro. And now QDF again. Tan. Siblini. 6 seconds away. Siblini. 2 points Siblini. Nice shot by Siblini. 3 point dito naman. San Miguel. I think now the guard duty now is on D-Mac. San Miguel, malakas. Siblini binababa. Ayun! Tapos. Same ball tayo. Daw. The score is 12-9 at 2:11 seconds. 2:11 remaining. And nice one. Sana. Okay, same ball daw tayo. 14 seconds remaining. 14 seconds to shoot. Siblini, 24.
10 shot clock.
Pops up. Nope. Sabi again. Nitro, running shot, floater shot, pasok. Nitro, 2 points. And 12-11 na naman at 1:33 remaining. First quarter action. 12-11 na score po natin. A minute and 27 remaining. Siblini. Gamboa, no good. And D-Mac again. Mr. San Miguel. Nice highlight. No good. Nice one by D-Mac. D-Mac 2 points. Hub now 12-13. Hub now takes it now the first lead of the ball game at 57 seconds remaining. Siblini pops up, no, ayaw, Tan. Oy, travel ka doon, sabi ni Rep Krish.
45 seconds.
Travel ka doon, sabi ni boss referee. And thank you pa na po sa SBB Doha for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Nawala ang bola. And Najib. No good. Siblini, binababa ang bola. Siblini. Nice pass to Tan. So, the hub. Ayan na si Mr. Ano. San Miguel. Nice pass, that's Jib. No, it's Valdez. Palpal. Blocking foul.
There was a foul committed, but there's no time.
Blocking foul called. I think wala na yata o no. Okay. Akab shooting siya. Valdez awarded with a 2 free throws. 12-13 score po natin. Kakatapos lang po ng first quarter action. It's in.
Basket.
Second throw. No good. Okay, you're watching right now. If LIBH, a friend doubles a flying league, we'd like to thank the first following sponsors: Team LBC at Trade the Needles, SPB Do, and PSV Basketball League. First game for tonight, Saturday basketball action between QDF versus the Hub versus, sa kabila na po, after this game po, will be QR Projects and CAS. Yan. For the meantime, dito muna po tayo, mag-enjoy muna po tayo dito, QDF versus the Hub. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo ngayon. Who's ball rep? It's yellow. No, it's the Hub. Okay, bola doon pa ng the Hub. D-Mac for the inbound. To Valdez again. Valdez. Pops up. No good. Rebound. And San Miguel. Valdez. Binababa. D-Mac. Touch pass. Nitro. Malakas. Nandun si 33. At si Z. 2-point Z. Z 2 points. Tedak muli po tayo at 14 all. And D-Mac again. D-Mac. D-Mac ulangan. Nice one, malakas. And Harsha, binababa ang bola. Harsha. 2 points, Harsha 2 points. Stalwart po yun po ng Alforno basketball team sa ibang mga liga. D-Mac. Good ball. Hatim, binaba ang bola. Okay. Aruga. Number 14. Z, number 15. Breadway shot, 2 points. Hatim, 2 points. Medyo timeout muna po tayo. Hablons called for the timeout. Please take note po, talagang depleted po ang lineup po ng Hablons. Wala silang ng pamalit. Sana meron dumating kaagad bago mag second half kundi meron silang penalty for sure dahil hindi sila kumpleto. Ito po yung host of your Arvin G Vlog, si Ju, and I'm now delivering now your basketball action for today between Hub Lounge and, of course, QDF. Ayan. Okay, second quarter now start right now.
Back to the ball game.
QDF for sure will QDF for sure. Nope. Okay. Correction, it's Hub Lounge again for the inbound.
4-point lead
D-Mac.
for Junior.
D-Mac, binababang bola. Di makulangan. San Miguel for 3. Take 3.
That's a foul. Signature foul. Foul minute. Jersey number 14.
3 shots given para kay San Miguel. 18-14 ang score po. Second shot. Sir Badjola, nanood din po pala po. Si Jay Ramos, nanood din po. Second shot, San Miguel, wala pa rin. Last shot, jumpers ready. Last throw, jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Rebound by out of bounds. Hatim. Hatim. Last touch, D-Mac. Foul. Harsha called for a foul. First personal foul, Harsha. Again, inbounding. Valdez. Labas muna raw. Najib, pedo shot, no good. Naka-rebound sa team. Xiao. Op. Offensive foul, binalikat. Shoulder, binalikat. And Valdez. D-Mac. Fall again for a team.
27.
Second person po na kanang center po ng The Hub. Di makulangan, 28 shooting for 2. QDF, tumakbo na po ng timeout. Magbabalik po tayo po after these messages. Okay. It's not that. Okay. $7:51 remaining, 18-14 na score po natin. Laman po ang Qatar Duty Free or the Yellow Boys. Yan. Team Yellow po, lamang po sila ng 4 at 7:51 remaining. This shows with your Arvin G Vlog, si Ju, and you're watching now Aviation Friendly, dubbed as the Flying League. Live always po tayo sa Newton International School in Barra Village in Doha. Yan. D-Mac. 2 shots given para kay D-Mac. First shot. Pasok. Second shot, D-Mac. Second shot to D-Mac. Second shot, D-Mac. Both basket made. Nothing but net. Okay, 18-15 score. Arugay. No good. Rebound, D-Mac. Foul. Foul on number 15. Zico for the foul. And San Miguel for the inbound. San Miguel for the Hub. Valdez. D-Mac. Again, D-Mac na naman. D-Mac against Z.
14 shot.
D-Mac. 2 points. D-Mac. Di ba kailangan 2 points? 17-15 remaining. 18 all for score po natin. Harsha. Z. Got a shot. Wala. Rebound. Vera 1 by Valdez. Wala na. Out of bounds.
Last
Di umabot. Okay, habol. Valdez. Valdez, number 0. D-Mac. D-Mac again, nakalusot. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Hatim. Hatim, binababa ang bola ngayon. Hatim, yung kanilang big man. Wala pa Soroy. Di pumapasok Soroy niyan. Z. Harsha. No good. Rebound. Better one by Najib. Again, called for a foul. Pushing foul called. Tablados po tayo sa 18. Okay, Najib na to Nitro, number 2. D-Mac, fumble. And Z. Z. Nice, sundot si D-Mac sana. Hatim, no good. Ayun, si Harsha. Harsha, binitbit. Pasok ang bola kay Harsha. Again, dalawa na naman. QDF leading by 2 points, 2018. D-Mac for 3. No good. Rebound si number 15. Z. Walang pinasahan. 5:40 remaining, second quarter action. Halfway na po tayo. Handaan niyo po yung second lineup nyo. Para sa QDF. D-Mac. Nakalusot na rin si D-Mac. Nope, it's Nitro. Nawala ang bola kay Nitro. D-Mac. Nice interception ni D-Mac. Ayun si Valdez. 2 points, Valdez. Valdez, 2 points. Z, number 15. Harsha. Number 14, Arugay. No good. Hey, pumasok pala. Sorry. Pumasok. Arugay, 2 points. 22-20. Lamang po ng 2 po ang QDF. Now, for the QDF now. So, si Brini, Roy, number 15, at si Duma, number 15. Roy also, and Gabi, number 17. And sa Miguel, lang tayo muna ng mga kasama. D-Mac, 28. Dako ng pick. Nitro. Valdez, San Miguel. Take the shot or no? Okay, Valdez. Walang pinasahan doon. Tumama sa hita. Tumama sa hita. Same ball, tumama sa hita. Leg. Tumama sa hita po. D-Mac. Najib for 3. No good. Rebound battle now by Siblini. Duma. Nice one by Gabi, 2 points. Nice one. Gabi, Duba kung may connection. And now, Najib. 4-point lead na naman. Najib, pilasa palabas. Walang pinasahan. 3:49 remaining. Siblini. And Gabi. Siblini. Roy. Malakas ang pasa kay Duma. Malakas ang pasa. D-Mac again. D-Mac. 4-point lead lang yan. Sabi ni D-Mac. And Valdez. San Miguel. Teka lang, traveling violation. Sabi ni Rep Mandab said it's traveling violation. 2 minute steps. And so for the inbound. Now to Siblini again. Siblini. Gabi. Roy. Roy. Siblini pops up. Nope, it's Roy. No good. Brown point blank for Roy and foul on Roy for sure.
Foul minute, jersey number 7.
Roy, number 7, called for the foul. Penalty situation, Team QDF. 20-20 score po natin. D-Mac shooting for 2.
Di ba on the line?
Di ba kulangan? First shot. Pasok. Second throw ni D-Mac. Jumper sa rin po tayo.
3 points.
Second throw ni D-Mac. Jumper sa rin po tayo. And it's wala. Siblini, binaba ang bola. Siblini. So, power move. No good. Rebound by D-Mac. Najib. Roy. Nitro, wala pa rin. Rebound by Roy. Nice rebound by Roy. Ginagamit yung mga galamay ni Roy. And Siblini nandun. Naipit. And Valdez against Roy. Wala na. Let go na yan. Let go na yan. Wala na. Let go na yan. Siblini again. Siblini. 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 Triple team. Double team. Nakalusot. Hindi.
There's a foul minute.
Foul called. Take 2 kay Siblini.
Jersey number 55, San Miguel.
San Miguel, jersey 55, called for the foul. Siblini shooting for 2.
That's your first personal foul.
It's in. Second shot. Laman ng dalawa. Second throw, laman ng dalawa. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Again, tatlo na naman kalamangan ng team QDF over the hub. Hub, QDF now. Naglalaban. D-Mac. Nakalusot si D-Mac. Mataka na naman. Nice kick out pass kay Najib. Najib. Kapos. O sabi mo na, ano Roy yata? Huwag natin na daanin sa Santong Paspasan. And Siblini again. 2 points Siblini. Siblini 2 points. Back to 5-point lead again for the QDF. Foul. Foul on Duma for sure. Duma called for a foul. Di makulangan, number 28 shooting for 2.
Game clock 1 minute 15 seconds.
Di makulangan, 28 shooting for 2. It's in. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo for D-Mac. Di makulangan. Second throw. Pops up. No good. And Gabi. Siblini. Pinababa ang bola. Ay, hindi na patik factor nga. Wala kasi silang palitan. Siblini. Crossover.
14 shot clock.
Siblini for 3. No good.
Using the board.
Valdez.
Here comes the hub ball. 3 against 1.
Okay. Najib. Nice shot by Najib.
That's a 2-point lead.
2-point lead again. 49 seconds remaining. 28-26 po score po natin. So, binababa ang bola. Yung kanang big man. Duma. Gabi. So, power move. 2-point soul. 2-point soul. Good ball. And Valdez. Valdez. And one play. Ginawa ni Valdez. Nice highlight for Valdez. Number 26. So, shooting. Called for a foul. Valdez shooting for the bonus free throw. 22 seconds na lang po ang nalabi sa second quarter action. At 30-20 po score po natin. Lamang pa rin po ang 30-20 rin po. Lamang pa rin po ang QDF ng isa. And Siblini. Binababa ang bola. Siblini 24. Roy for 3. No good. D-Mac. At wala na. Okay, the score right now is 30-31 after 2 quarters po. Laman po ang Team The Hub. Halftime po tayo before that. Okay. This is your Aviation Friendly League, Dabas of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Thread and Needles and Team LBC, hari ng padala. Sample po dyan po ang SPB Doha at PSB Basketball League. Of course, ito po ang QDF versus The Hub. Afterwards po is the Projects versus the CAS o yung CAS po, Qatar Aviation Services. For the meantime, QDF versus The Hub muna po tayo ngayon. Okay, dahil po kasi kulang po ang The Hub for sure. Merong penalty shots po given now for QDF. Kulang po sila kasi. I wonder ilan pong ano. Okay, penalty shots po given now for QDF. Dahil kulang po kasi ang The Hub. No good. Okay, 36-31. 5 points given, 6 points given, awarded to QDF. Dahil sa penalty po, kulang po kasi ang The Hub. Dapat kasi minimum 10 players po sila dapat. Pero nangyari, 5 lang talaga sila. Kaya 5 po ang binigay. Harsha! No good. Rebound by The Hub. D-Mac, Harsha. Harsha nagpagano. Harsha! Malakas! Palpal! 2 points. Number 15. Z 2 points. Z 2 points. 38-31. San Miguel. Nitro. D-Mac out of bounds almost. And Harsha almost stole the ball. 5 seconds remaining. D-Mac. Take the shot. No good. Rebound the Betin. QDF now going now for the Twin Tower combination. Roy and Hatim. Of course, nagbanta ng fast lineup like Harsha and Z. Lost the ball. 3-second violation. 3-second violation called now on the yellow shirts now. Di mo kulangan now. M. Valdez. Binababa pong bola. 7-point advantage now being given up to The Hub. D-Mac. Di mo kulangan. Running. Palpal. Foul. Nice attack by D-Mac.
Jersey number 7, Roy. That's his second personal foul.
Second personal foul on Roy. D-Mac first shot. D-Mac first free throw. First shot. Wala. D-Mac second throw. Jumpers ready. 8:29 remaining. Pops up. Wala pareho. Isa pa daw. One more shot given. Early entry. Isa pa daw. D-Mac, 28 rather, shooting for the bonus, another free throw.
31 in favor of UDM.
D-Mac. Yes, sirree. Okay, 38-32. Okay, Zhao, labas muna para kay number 14. Quality minutes kay Zhao. And number 15, Z. Setting up the pace. Harsha, pong posisyon. Kumat si Harsha. Hatim. Hatim, pops up. Malakas. Roy, lost the ball. Sir Jade, ano na po tayo? Third quarter na po at 8:09 remaining. I repeat, third quarter na po tayo at 8:09 remaining.
Pass to San Miguel.
San Miguel, labas muna. D-Mac. Valdez. No, it's Najib. Najib.
5 shot clock. San Miguel.
San Miguel, running shot. Foul call. Hop, teka lang. Okay, ano muna? Pagmimitingan muna.
Landing spot. Technical foul.
Technical foul ang QDF. Landing spot kasi. Technical foul po binigay. D-Mac shoot with technical free throw. Pumalak pa kasi.
Bench control of the
Top bench siguro din po. D-Mac sinks the ball. Okay, 5 po na 5. Take 2 po ngayon si Mr. San Miguel. Akop shooting kasi San Miguel. 2 shots given. Sabi po ng ating mga referee po, 2 shots given para kay San Miguel. San Miguel, first shot. No good. San Miguel, second shot. Jumpers ready. 38-32 na score po natin. Second shot, San Miguel. It's in.
basket. Cutting the lead to 4.
Z, number 15, binababa ang bola. Arugay. Nice one. Nice hustle play. Najib, bro. It's a foot race. Harsha nauna. Nauna si Harsha. Foot race ang nangyari. Roy. Arugay against San Miguel. Foul.
There's a ball. Foul committing jersey number 55. Substitution.
So, labas muna, pasok muna para kay Mr. Hatim. And si Siblino also muna, pasok muna para kay number 14, Arugay. And so, to Siblini. C. Harsha. So, sa ilalim. Malakas. May foul si Najib. Foul on Najib.
Jersey number 05.
Foul on Najib.
That's your first personal foul.
First personal foul called.
Jersey number 05.
So, first shot. Pasok. It's pasok. Ha?
Ito sa plato ba?
Ha?
Dami.
Hindi naman.
Talaga.
Second shot made. 7:07 remaining, 40-34. Again, a 6-point lead advantage again. Being posted by the QDF. D-Mac, Esibini. Najib, to Roy. Packs up, no good. Pops up, no good. Pops up, no good. Pasensya na po, may sigaw po kasi ako ha. Kaya medyo ano tayo sa speech ngayon. Siblini. Malakas ang pasa. Balik muli po sa purple ang bola. Valdez. Binaba ang bola. Valdez, 6 hands away. Valdez, wala. Sayang. Najib. Ano muna? Sabi ni D-Mac na. Ano na tayo? Isa na tayo. D-Mac for 3. No good. Hard. Again. Valdez, pal. Sub. Swatted away by Roy. Binura ni Roy ang tira. Burado ang tira. And San Miguel. D-Mac again. D-Mac. D-Mac against So. D-Mac driving show, fadeaway shot. No good. I think the fatigue factor now is already sinking now for the Hub. Offensive foul! Timeout muna po ang the Hub.
Back to the ball game. Goal will be awarded for Hublock. 5 minutes, 50 seconds. 6-point lead by Green.
Hub Lounge now will... Hub Lounge po maglalabas mo yung Hub Lounge. Hub Lounge again, 6-point lead advantage still enjoyed by the QDF. San Miguel. 5:42 remaining. Nitro for 3. No good. Hoy! Foul! Sumundot si Valdez. Valdez, fourth personal foul ka na. Warning for graduate ka na.
Third team foul. Both teams, third team foul. Roy.
State University ngayon ang motive nyo, pre. UP.
Assault, jumper. Contest now.
Parang university motive. Naging State University ngayon kayo, Okay. Hoy! Again, traveling on So. 4:59 remaining, 40-34 still. Eto na. D-Mac. 2 points, D-Mac. Nakataligot silang lahat. Once kasi na po yan, wala kayo niyan. Dapat humarap kagad kayo. And 4:42 remaining, 40-36 lang po ng 4 minutes po ang QDF. Roy, no good. Again, Nitro on the run. Nitro, setting up the gas. San Miguel. Valdez. Najib. And traveling direction man, sinabi ni Rep Melvin. Left Marvin said it's traveling. Siblini, binababa ang bola. And to Harsha. Siblini. Number 24, Siblini. Nice acrobatic shot. Pasok ang bola kay Siblini. Kick pass. Valdez. Nawala ang bola. 42-36. A 6-point advantage again na by team The Hub. And Z. Roy pops up. No good. D-Mac. 2 points, D-Mac. Okay, let go na. No timeout. Play. So. C. Hoy, traveling ka tong boy. Carl Guillermo is watching. Timeout now by QDF. The score again is 42-38 at 3:16 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Still, lumalaban pa rin po ang The Hub kahit medyo, let's say, naka-handicap sila ngayon. Wala silang pamalit. Wala silang pamalit yung Hub kasi ngayon. Still, lumalaban pa rin sila. And afterwards po, of course, Ito, pinakabangan po ito. CAS versus the Projects. Back to the ball game ulit po tayo ngayon. It's now D-Mac again for the inbound. Number 28. 28, D-Mac. 3:16 remaining. And D-Mac, binababa ang bola. D-Mac, number 18. Number 28, D-Mac. Against Siblini. 3:06 remaining. Valdez. San Miguel, D-Mac again. Dako ng pick. D-Mac, same on the gas. Tapos. Foul on D-Mac.
There's a foul committed, jersey number 28.
20 Coke for a foul. 2:52 remaining.
Personal foul.
Siblini.
Warning for penalty.
Half lunch, warning for penalty.
Siblini, pass to Harsha.
Harsha, 30. Fadeaway shot. Wala. Nando sa team. Wala rin. Rebound ni Valdez. Nitro. Nano. Kickball.
Remain 19 seconds.
And now, Valdez. Nope, it's D-Mac. Lamang po lang ng 4 lang ang QDF. D-Mac for 3. No good. Rebound. Okay, binantay na. Wala na. Sarado na. Sinara na ni Iso. Harsha, hindi handa. Yung hindi handa si Harsha para again, eto na naman si D-Mac. Najib. San Miguel, out of bounds. And 25. Siblini, 20. Siblini almost had the ball.
Okay, ready?
Okay, back to the ball game. Harsha, Siblini. Harsha. Siblini pops up. No good. Hop. Who's for rep? Number 26 again. So again, called for the foul. Kick pass now. Again, Valdez. Fadeaway shot. 2 points. Bernard Macalinaw is watching also. Good din po sa sir. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama po sa akin po. Sa amin po ngayong asang Sabado po. Hart. Siblini. Malakas. 1 minute remaining. May bububaga pa ba ang Dahab sa 4th quarter? Or else, ang QDF na po ang mananaig. Take note po, Dahab po kasi wala pong pamalit ngayon. Malakas. Nice rebound by Harsha. Nope, it's Tan. No good. Isa pa, Tan. 2 points, Tan. Najib. No good. So, naka-rebound. And si number 25, binababa ang bola, QDF. That's Gamboa. Hatim, pumuposisyon. Gamboa, no good. Rebound, Harsha. Tan, 2 points siya. Tan, 2 points. Again, 6 na naman. Wala na. Okay, 4th and final quarter coming up. This is Shea Bishop, Friendly Doubles of Flying League. We'd like to following sponsors. Of course, Team LBC, Hari ng Padala. And of course, ang Tele Needles. Sampo na tubod siya po SBB Pilipinas and PSPQ Basketball League. And of course, you're watching the first game for tonight's Saturday basketball action between QBA, QDF versus the Hub. And of course, After this po is the Projects versus Angkas. For the meantime, ito muna po, manood muna po tayo sa QDF versus the Hub. Fourth quarter action now start. Fourth and final quarter. Fourth and final quarter. D-Mac. Ang kanilang skipper po, si D-Mac. San Miguel. Nitro. San Miguel na naman.
San Miguel.
D-Mac. May guard duty na naman si Tan.
Pass to Nitro. 14 shot clock.
Teka lang. Ano ba yan?
It's a foul.
Foul. Masyadong agresibo. Tsaka bawal yun. Miss space yan. Safe space.
Foul,
Jersey
jersey number 5.
number 5. Go for the foul. Nakakuha ng pick. Ayan na. D-Mac. D-Mac. Double team. Triple team. San Miguel. San Miguel. Wala. Out of bounds. Yellow. Same ball. Purple ball.
14 shot clock.
Purple ball.
Receive.
Same. 1 meter away. D-Mac.
Double team.
Double team, triple team si D-Mac. Najib. 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 Pops up. No good. Najib, no good. And now, Gamboa. Binababa ang bola. Tan. Nawala. Nawala. Roy. Hatim. No good. D-Mac. Nakawala si D-Mac ngayon. D-Mac. D-Mac against Roy. Malakas. Foul. Nitro called for a foul. Pinatid. And number 33 for the inbound. 9:01 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Dave Pirit is watching. Vernon Bacalao is watching. Sir Dave, nasan po kayo? Where are you na, Dave? Gamboa. 3 points, Gamboa. Gamboa, 3 points. 14 score po natin. Kaya. Up. D-Mac.
D-Mac po naman. Pass to San Miguel. 14 shot clock. Valdez.
Lost the ball. Roy. Again. On the attack play for you. Zhao. Zhao. Gamboa.
14 shot clock.
Pops up. Nope. Out of bounds. Shout out kay Dave Perido. Shout out kay Dave Macalinaw. Kay Sir Abadjola. Si Jay Ramos. Si Sir Isa. Nandiyan din po. Nanood po kanina. At si Sir Ari. Sila.
Technical foul. Union.
Technical foul ng QDF. 1, 2, 3. 6 sila yata sa loob. 6 ang QDF sa loob. D-Mac, technical free throws. Pops up. It's out. Ouch. Second throw. Sana. Okay, take 13 remaining. 14 and 14 score po natin. Inbounding ang The Hub.
Technical foul. Union.
Bilang muna.
Okay, demo. Let's go. One in penalty.
Hindi nga makausot. D-Mac, atake. Foul! D-Mac. Bumangga sa pader si D-Mac.
Play smart boys, play smart.
Si Stonewall Song, bumangga ang binangga niya. D-Mac. It's out. I think fatigue na. Fatigue settling and ready for
So,
D-Mac.
fourth personal foul.
So, per personal foul, one for graduate for So. Pops up, D-Mac. It's out. Najib.
Najib, rebound.
Nice cut by Valdez. Kapos ka nga lang. Oy! Valdez again, Valdez. Nitro. D-Mac for 3. Again, So. D-Mac foul. Pero may roll, foul.
Foul.
49-40, 7:34 remaining. D-Mac again on the line. First shot. Pasok. Second throw ni D-Mac. 49-41. Lamang ng 8. 7:34 remaining. Ito ba lang Galisilia rito? Second shot. D-Mac. Basket made.
Second try, ating na dito 7.
Okay, 49-42. 7:31 remaining. Gamboa. Harsha. So, ayun, Harsha. 2 points, Harsha. Nice cut. Like a bread butter. Again. Bench decorum. Again, technical foul call on QDF for bench decorum. Confidensya, nandun na rin. Bench decorum for QDF. D-Mac, technical free throw. Pops up. It's in. Second throw. Sana. Plus ball possession again. 51-43 as an 8-point lead advantage still enjoyed by QDF. D-Mac, number 28. And to San Miguel, Nitro. 3 points, Nitro. Saan ang galing yun? Galing kay Nitro, sabi nila. Nitro, 3 points. Japel Montesir is watching also. Kick pass kay Harsha. Called for the foul.
Foul by jersey number 2. That's the third personal.
Third personal po ni Nitro na rin. Dahan-dahan tayo pa sa foul sa Team Hub. Gamboa thinking 3. Pops up nga. No good. D-Mac. Lutan. Ayun kay Roy. Roy 2 points, Roy. Roy 2 points. D-Mac 26, 28. D-Mac nakalusot. D-Mac again nakalusot. Pops up, fadeaway shot. No good. And Tan siya na mag-isa. Nandun si Najib. Wala. UDF go for the timeout. The score is 53-46, a 7-point lead advantage being posted still by the QDF, or let's say we say Qatar Duty Free. Masyadong mabigat dito. Yan, dito. Back to the ball game muli po tayo.
Harsha right now. 14 shot up.
Sorry. So, traveling violation kay So. Travelation ng So. D-Mac na naman. Nagmamadali. D-Mac. 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 Nakalusot. Nandun na agawan. Habol, sabi. Off the leg. Najib. Tan, binabantay na naman si Dimac. Nitro. Go to shot, no good. Ayan, Harsha. Harsha, pushing. Harsha, no good. Tip in by Roy. No good again. 2-on-2 situation. 2-on-2 situation. Dimac. And one play ba yan? Basket made. Jersey number 5 committed. Dimac Ulangan shooting for the bonus free throw. They're giving him the continuation. Dimac Ulangan 28. Idol, kapatid. Kasi boss. Dimac, wala. Rebound ni Roy. Judep, 25. Gambo na naman, umatake. Nope, it's Tan. Tan, pops up. Wala. And, eto na. San Miguel. San Miguel, malakas. Good ball. Nitro. Wala pa rin. I think ito na yung fatigue factor talaga para sa sa The Hub mapasok. Pero still, let's see. Dimac pa rin, lumalaban pa rin si Dimac. Dimac number 28. 2 points, Dimac. Ito na naman, tres na lang, tatlo naman kalamangan. Tatlo kalamangan na naman ng the QDF. Judy Pinal still leading by 3 points, 53-50. Judy Free leading by 3 points. Hop! 3-second violation. 3-second violation called on Roy. Okay, Roy called for the 3-second violation. Pagkatapos po nito is the Projects versus, alam po natin yan, ang CAS. Projects still, wala pa rin po silang talo. 2-0 pa rin po sila. Ang Balcas already have isang talo po. 2-1. Yan. Let's see what happens next after this game. Oh! 3-second violation din. 3-second violation din. Nandito na yung Helter-Skelter combination ng Visto. Yung Helter-Skelter po nila, nandyan din. Parang Helter-Brand Kagiwa yata ang combination nitong dalawang to. And Siblini, Harsha, driving strong. Good ball. Walang tawag. Ayan na, on the run muli sila. Dimac Ulangan. And one play. Jersey number 7, Roy called for a foul for the tie. If di mo kailangan 6 this, tablados po tayo sa 53. Roy, 4 personal fouls, 1 for graduate. Dimac, tabla, 53 all. Siblini for 3. No good. Rebound, foul. Again, Dimac called for a foul. Dimac, partner ni Dimac po yan. Hatim. Nice guard duty. Najib, third personal foul. And Siblini. Palpal. Nice block by Najib. Good ball. Z creating space. No good. Roy, 2 points, Roy. 55-53. 3 minutes 26 remaining. Hop. Teka lang. Bola. D-Mac. Inbounding. D-Mac. Turo. Okay, D-Mac again against Siblini. 3:20 remaining. D-Mac. Nakalusot. Kapos. D-Mac again. Malakas. Siblini again. Siblini. Siblini 24. Siblini. Siblini. Good ball. Good ball. Harsha. Harsha. Palmal. Again, D-Mac. Pushing. Valdez. 2 points, Valdez. Tabla, tabla, tabla. 2 minutes 50 remaining. 2:50 remaining. Folks, we have a ball game right now at 2:44 remaining. 55 all po tayo. Nako, nawala. Nawala. Nice steal and San Miguel. 2 points San Miguel. Nag-lock sila doon. And a timeout to go by team. Yeah, Harsha. Alpono again.
No more time on the
Good luck on na. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wait na now. I think USW.
Yeah,
Okay.
try our best.
Okay. Okay, 2 minutes 34 remaining. Lamang na muli po ngayon ang team Dahab. Dahab po lamang muli po ngayon. Dahab. Back to the ball game. 2 minutes 32 remaining. Okay, Hub Lounge also now called for a breather. Time out po daw kayo, Hub Lounge. Hub Lounge also nagpahinga muna rin po. It's all or nothing for Hub Lounge. Pag ito umabot na ng overtime, nasa alangan rin po ang Hub Lounge. They're now at their limit already. Wala sila kasing pamalit. QDEP also needs this to put away this ball game. For improvement of the standing.
Back to the ball game.
Si Madam Joanna Selrockman is watching. Ralph Castro is watching also. Jay Ramos, Carl Guillermo, Sir Bacal, Dave Perido, Sir Macalinao, at iba po mga nolo po sa atin. Siblini for the inbound to Harsha, number 30. Harsha, Joel Pita. Man to man na si D-Mac, QDF, sabi ni Pita. Okay. Again. Hatim. Hatim. Fadeaway shot. Kapos. That's painful. Nitro now. They will now start to milk the clock. Nitro. Hatim. 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 Still completed. Hatim. Again. Tan. Tan. Good steal. Tan. 2 points Tan. Tablados tayo. Tablados tayo. 1:57 remaining. Last 2 minutes. 1:55 remaining. 57 all. D-Mac. Scaling the defense. Tan. Binabantay si D-Mac. QDEP. Wala rin timeout. D-Mac. Attacking. No. No. Walang kumat. D-Mac. Roy. Roy. 2 points Roy. Okay, lamang na naman. Lamang na naman pero QDEP. QDEP na again. Lamang QDEP. D-Mac. D-Mac thinking 3. Nobis Valdez. San Miguel. San Miguel. Nakalusot. 2 points San Miguel. Man to man na raw. Sabi ni Joel Pita si D-Mac. Siblin again. Siblin for 3. Kapos. Wala na. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. 58 seconds remaining. 59 all po tayo. The story so far. If QDEP will go for overtime, no problem because they have more fresh legs than the Hub. The problem the Hub, if they go for overtime, they'll be now already exhausted. Valdez. Bang! Valdez 2 points. 35 seconds remaining. They need now an honest defense. Siblini. Harsha. Harsha. Harsha driving strong. No good. Tan. Hisiblini. Foul.
There's a ball. There's a ball committed.
Foul committed for Najib, number 5. 59-61, 60 seconds remaining. Warning for penalty pa lang po ang Team Dahab. Yellow ball. 16 seconds remaining.
2 seconds shot down conversion. Siblini.
Siblini. Uy, sayang. Tik na. Sabi, sayang. Now, Siblini has to sink this basket to keep them at play.
10 seconds.
Siblini first shot. No good. Hoy, wag ganon. Bawal. One more shot para kay Siblini. Pops up. Hoy! Hindi pwedeng sadya yun. Basta. Time out. Goal. 10 seconds remaining. Hindi pwede yun. If you notice, hindi pwede sadyain yun. You have to shoot it. Kung nag-miss, saka sila mag-rebound. Hindi pwede sadyain yun na parang... Pero no, rep, doon pwede yun, di ba? Pwede no yun, di ba? Pero hindi na pwede, no? Pag sinte, pero pwede sadyain doon yun pwede, no? Doon yun.
Shoot mo ng tama.
Oo.
Kahit i-miss mo, basta i-shoot.
Yung parang yung talagang lang tira. Okay, okay, tama nga sinabi. Hindi dapat sinasadya ang mission. Back to the ball game. Check na naman. Muntik na.
10 seconds.
Teka, wait lang. Sino possession? Okay. Bola po ng Dahab. Full court press ang Team QDF. Valdez. Nice steal. Hatim. No good. Siblini. Foul.
5 seconds remaining.
Siblini called for the foul.
Ball committed. Jersey number 0.
Now pressure pack free throws ngayon. Jersey number 0, Valdez, graduate. Walang pambalit ang Dahab. They will now play now 4 persons. First shot made. 4th shot made. Second shot for Siblini just to tie the ball game. They will now play now 4 persons. Siblini, no good. Rebound. Pink shirts.
3 seconds remaining.
3 seconds remaining.
Kamay. Yan.
They will play. D-Mac. Foul.
Ball committed. Jersey number 24.
Sabi ni Joel Pila, pwede na yun, rep. Dave, di pwede yun, sir. Dapat talaga hindi sinasadyang iyan o i-shoot yun. Isablay lang.
Both teams will
Okay, D-Mac shooting for 2. Penalty po ang team QDF. First shot, D-Mac. It's in. Second throw, D-Mac. Jumpers ready. Second throw, D-Mac. Jumpers ready po tayo. D-Mac, second throw. No good. Siblini. Uy, butik na. Okay, that's your ball game already. Final score 60-62. Hub Lounge prevailing. Kahit di man lang po sila, you've watched now Hablons versus QDF. And congratulations for Hablons for final score 60-62. Afterwards po is, of course, QDF. Okay, CAS versus the Projects. Permisa po, congratulations for the Hablons for winning the ball game. Thank you very much.